All right, I'm going to teach you guys one of the easiest trades you will ever take in your entire life. You can see behind me, this is a $40,000 profit in just a few hours. And no, this is not a smart money concept, Forex, none of that stuff. This is the real way to trade, and like I said, it's one of the easiest setups you will ever learn. On top of that, it'll make you a shit ton of money, so just spend a few seconds watching this video to learn it. All right, I don't know if you could tell in the screenshot, but the stock that this was on is MSTR. All right, so right here, I'm looking at this on the daily chart. Each one of these candles represents a day. What you'll notice is the stock continues to increase, and over time, it just picks up more and more and more. And as it's picking up more and more and more, the volume is as well. One of the best things about this is that it is on the daily chart, so you have a lot of time to react. Like, this moves very, very slow. So you don't have to sit there and stare at the screen all day and freak out when you see the candles start moving, because it's not going to move that fast. Like I said, this is going to play out within a couple hours. So we're looking for a stock that's growing exponentially. So it goes from linear to exponential here. It starts really picking up. The volume's picking up as well. And you're waiting for the highest volume day of the run. So that's this day right here. Hopefully you guys can see that. Ignore me looking like a Facebook mom in the background if you can see the reflection. But yeah, so right here we have the stock, going up and up and up, and the volume is just going up and up as well. On the highest volume day of the run, you want to see the next day that this gaps up. So this is the close right here on the daily chart. This is around like 474. Next day, it gaps up. So close price is here. Open price is now 12.6% higher. It's at 535. This is the day that we want to enter the trade because it's gapping after the extremely high volume day, and we're going to target this moving average right here. So this is the 10 SMA. You can add this to your chart on any platform. It's called a simple moving average. All right, so this program right here won't let me go all the way back on the 5 minutes of that day, but I can pull it up here on TradingView. So we're on the 5 minute now. We're waiting to enter. So we can see, this is the day that we want to enter it because the super high volume. Then it gaps up that day. This thing is pretty extended. It's been going up for a very long time. Now to actually enter it, we're going to go to the 5 minute chart and we're going to wait until it fails VWAP. So when the first 5 minute candle opens, right? This is the first 5 minute candle of that day. You wait for the lows to be taken out. You can see here it failed VWAP very quickly. So VWAP is just volume weighted average price. That's the orange line you're seeing right here. Again, you can add that indicator to your chart. And you wait for it to take out these lows. So right here, the first 5 minute candle closes. The low is right there. As soon as it takes out the lows, you enter the puts and you target the 10 SMA. And you can see this thing fell very rapidly, pulled back up to VWAP, failed VWAP again, went all the way down. And then the end of the day was damn near the lowest point. So you're basically buying it in the morning as soon as the 5 minute candle fails right there. Stop loss goes a high a day and you hold it until the end of the day. Now, the good thing about this is this was on a Thursday. So we have 1 day until expiration on the contracts. If you want to know where to set your strike, we'll just set it at the 10. And then as soon as it gets really close to the 10 right there, you just sell it.